So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit your profile picture on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on the Me icon. Once you're here, I want you to go all the way down to where it says Settings right at the bottom. Press on Settings. Now once you're here, there's a bunch of different options at your disposal, but if you were to go to your Moomoo account, press on the top right here, and where it says profile picture at the top, you can simply go ahead and press on that. Then you can create an avatar, take a photo, select from your album, or view your profile picture. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit your profile picture on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.